Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your YouTube videos on your YouTube account. Really easy and simple to do. It all gets done just in the YouTube application. So we're just going to go over to the YouTube application really quickly, and then you just want to go over to your video. So on iPhone it's in the bottom right corner where it says library. So we're going to click on that, and then it's going to show us a bunch of our videos here. So all we want to do here is just find the video that we want to delete, and then once we found the one that we want to delete, we just want to click on the three dots beside the title of that video. And then it's going to pop up this stuff here where it gives you the opportunity to save it to watch later, save to playlist, delete, edit, and share. So if you want to delete the video, you can just click on delete. And then it'll just ask you to confirm it here, delete upload. You just want to click on delete again. I'm not going to delete this video, but once you click on that delete option here, it is the last time, so you can't go back. But anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.